Belzona solutions for concrete pump pedestals. Rotating equipment is vital to every industry. Keeping these components running efficiently is a major priority for the maintenance specialists in every plant. A combination of operating vibration, environmental moisture, and possible chemical attack will eventually weaken the concrete substrate to the point at which it can no longer properly anchor the pump. Belzona has developed products and processes that enable industrial facilities to not only protect their investment in these structures, but to reclaim those that have already been damaged. Products such as 4111 Belzona Magma Quartz can rebuild the lost concrete to original dimensions and can again provide a solid foundation for the rotating equipment. In the event that extremely aggressive, highly concentrated chemical attack is possible, the repaired base can then be encapsulated with a Belzona chemical barrier coating, such as CR1 shown being applied here. This coating will withstand almost any chemical attack for many years. Belzona has even developed a rebuilding and protective coating in one, Belzona 4181. Local stock of Belzona products is available in over 120 countries around the world, and your Belzona technical consultant is available to help you with your maintenance needs 24 hours a day. How can Belzona help you today?